Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Hacker YouTube channel. So here is this app which is called Mint, Personal Finance and Money. This app was around for a while, but yeah, it's again in the top charts in App Store. It has around 320 megabyte size, so it's pretty large. But yeah, you can see it's in um, personal chart, #1 chart in finance. And recently they just introduced budget iOS 14 widget in Mint. Then you can just display this budget on your iOS device. So to install it, just tap this get button or cloud icon, and then you will be able to install it. So if you don't know, this app is a great way to track your daily expenses, to track your savings, track your subscriptions, all the different categories of spendings and all of that. So you can just do that, and then it has 600k ratings, 4.8 out of 5 average rating, which is pretty impressive. So definitely try out this app if you want to better track your personal money and finance. That's it. Please subscribe to my channel.